I'm Karen Eddington, and I am Language Arts 8, Honors Language Arts 8 teacher for the year for your student. I would like to share with you a good tool for you and your student to use in order to keep track of daily class activities and assignments in language arts. This is the Google Classroom. Students have signed into this, joined the classroom, and even though parents can't do this, you can still anytime ask your student to log in and show you what we're doing in class. So right now what we're looking at is the stream page. This page I try to keep about 2 weeks in advance. This is the first week and a half of school right here. And what I've done every day is list what we do. Once in a while I have to change things if we have changes of plans, but usually you get a pretty good idea of what we're doing in class on a daily basis. Also, I have links to assignments and other written documents that are helpful. So if you want to see what an assignment looks like, or you would like to have your student print up a new copy at home, you can do it from this page. I also put due dates, also due dates that are coming up in advance, anything you might need to know about what we're doing in class. The other section is the classroom section, and I have linked to this section all the kinds of assignments and documents that we use throughout the year. So the syllabus is here, the independent reading requirements. Even though we haven't gone through this in class yet, we will soon, but this is your information for that that'll apply all year. So typed text documents are here, works cited examples, different skills that we'll be working on throughout the year. At the top is the read and quiz. So students will be required to read. They will, when they're done with their book, take a quiz on the book if there is a quiz available, and they will access the quiz through this page right here. So hopefully if you have any questions about what we're doing in class, you can check this page out. Please also email me anytime you'd like additional information. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can if you email me. So please send me your questions if needed, but hopefully in the meantime, this will help. I look forward to working with you and your students this year. Thank you.